How to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. We will share two methods to disable Windows Defender from Windows 10. You can disable Windows Defender temporarily or permanently after watching this video. So let's get started. To disable Windows Defender temporarily, click on this little arrow and click on this security icon. If it is not showing here, then click on the Start button in the left corner and click on Settings. Now here, click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Security on the left-hand side menu. Here click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on Manage Settings. Turn this little toggle off and your Windows Defender will be disabled temporarily. You can simply enable it back when you want. Now for some reason, if you want to disable the Windows Defender permanently, follow these steps. Go to the Windows search bar and type in Registry. Right-click on the Registry editor and select Run as Administrator. If it asks for permission, click on OK. Now from here, click on this little arrow and expand the HKey local machine folder. Click and expand the software folder. Now expand Policies. Hover over New and select the D-word 32-bit value. Rename this folder to Disable Anti-Spyware with no spaces. Click on the empty space. Double-click on the folder and set this value to 1. Click on OK. Once you complete all these steps, turn off your computer and turn it back on again. And the Windows Defender will be permanently deleted from your computer. Then, if you want the Windows Defender back, right-click on the folder and click on Delete. Click on Yes and Windows Defender will be back again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.